Step number 6, get free publicity. You see, you can use a book to get global publicity. And if you get global publicity, you become a global media personality. I'm going to show you examples in a minute of people right here in Singapore and Malaysia and all around the region who've never gotten any publicity, but have gotten publicity all the time to build their business. Mortgage brokers, doctors, chiropractors, network marketers, consultants, speakers, dentists, lawyers, shop owners, inventors, network marketers, all kinds of people who have never done it before. It's a phenomenal tool. In my boot camp, I show you exactly how you can get publicity in America and in Australia if you live here in Singapore. Remember I told you about my friend David Chua? 20-year-old, absolutely broke, wrote a book called Millionairehood. It's been featured all over the New Straits Times, the Straits Times, and the guy's book isn't even out yet. Now, you got to finish the book, right? You know that. You got to finish the book. But what do you think this does to his persona? What do you think it does to his own personal identity? Absolutely phenomenal. We've had this lady wrote a small book, 80 pages. She was a teacher. She became a life coach, appeared in Time magazine, never appeared anywhere before that. Lots of people. Here, Alexander Wu wrote this book. Been featured all out throughout the region. Almost every week he gets some media appearance. He's quite proud of this particular one, and this guy's a mortgage broker. He's quite proud of this picture. Look at his picture is 4 times the size of this one, and this, the small one, features the Prime Minister of Malaysia. And he's a mortgage broker. How many mortgage brokers do you know get this kind of publicity? They don't. And so you can use a book no matter who you are, no matter where you're starting. If you want to get publicity, a book is the key to open that door. I know that because I have been so involved in helping people all over the world do this for 25 years. It happens to me on a regular basis. So give somebody a high five. Say, you can do this.